Okay, so passport photos, you got a family of 4 or 5 or something. Passport photos can, add up. Here's Walgreens, which is $14.99. CVS, $14.99. Walmart here is $7.44. But you got 4 or 5 people, adds up. You can really do passport photos for about 34 cents, and I'm going to show you how. I use a program called Faststone Image Viewer, but it's a free program. You can go to faststone.org and get it. It's a great program. It's free. But you can really use any photo editing program. Take a photo, make sure you go to the passport site and the official passport site and look at their guidelines. The main thing is the head must be between 1 inch and 1 3/8 inches. They give you examples here, and once you got an example pulled up, like this photo here I just shot with a whiteboard in the background. This actually became my actual passport photo. But you go in here, go to edit, go to crop board. First thing you got to do, if you go down here, these little dots here, you've got to add a size 2 inches by 2 inches, because your passport photo's got to be 2 inches by 2 inches. And then click OK. I already had done that. Now you got to crop it down. Now the key on cropping it down, if you go back here to the passport page, you see this guy's got a little space here on top, and it's cropped down by his shoulders. Remember, this is 2 inches, and the head from the chin to the top of the head has to be a little over 1 inch. So it should take up a little bit more than half. You don't have to be exact. Just make sure you leave a little space at the top. Bring it down to the shoulders about. That's about good right there. Again, you don't have to be exact. If you mimic this pretty close, you're going to be okay. And if you take up a little over half, a little more than 1 inch, you're going to be okay. I think that's good there. Okay, so I'm going to do lossless crop to file. By the way, your background, my wife and kids, our background was a textured wall, but it was white, and that was fine. They didn't mind that. Just make sure it's a plain wall. So now you got your 2 inch by 2 inch photo. We can close this. Just right click it, go to print, go to design and print. Now your first thing you got to do is go save to file, because you're not printing it out. You're actually saving it to a file. Then click on file setup, and you want to make sure your paper size is 4 by 6, because when you upload it to Walgreens or CVS or Walmart, you're going to print out a 4 by 6 photo. I use 600 DPI. 300 is probably fine. But this photo is too big. This is 4 by 6 paper. That's too big. So you got to go back to image size here, and again go 2 by 2 inches. And there, now you got your 2 by 2 inch, and I'm going to right click it. I'm going to go copy, then I'm going to go paste. Now I got 2 of them. Or you can add another image to it if you want. So like I could have my wife and me on this same page. You can click down here on add if you want to add another image. So you can get 2 people on this page. And you can see if this is 4 by 6, if that's 4 and these are 2 inches, there you go. That shows you that it's 4 by 6. So, and then you just click here, save, and it's going to save it there. We can close this out. Let's look at the finished product. Okay. There's our finished product. It's one of these. And then you just upload that to Walgreens or CVS or wherever you're going to get your 4 by 6. It's about 34 cents each. So really, if you put your wife and you on one page, you've done each of you for about 17 cents each. Okay? Hope this was helpful.